Hey, in this video I will show you how you can create a add to cart tag to track the add to cart from your website. So my WordPress website is connected already with Tag Manager, and Tag Manager is connected with my Geo4 account. Okay, so let's do it. So here I have created a view item tag. You can see we can create a new tag, or we can use this one, and this one will be easy for us because we have already added a parameter here. Okay, what we have to do, we just need to do here, just click on here and copy, then we have to change this, and what we have to do, just click on add to cart, and then we will see it on data layer. Okay, here it is. So we have to copy this one, and we have to change the event name from here, and then we have to delete the previous trigger, and click on here and create a new trigger because it will be different custom event. So put the trigger and then add to cart trigger. Save. Maybe in some issues it did not work. Let's check it again. Copy, change the event name, change the tag name, now change the trigger, add to cart trigger, then save. Yes, now it has worked. What do you have to do? Preview, let's see it shows on Google Analytics or not. Here it is. Let's say a product from here, and add to cart. So let's see it's working or not. User engagement already coming. User engagement again. Page view item, yes. Item ID, item bull damage jeans, yes, you can see bull damage jeans. So all working. Maybe add to cart will come. Yes, you can see here add to cart. Okay, and you can see bull jeans. Okay, so all is working perfectly and smoothly. So in this video, that's all. Thank you. Bye bye.